Picture quality is crucial when choosing a new television, and with so many options available today, it can be overwhelming. The Roku Select Series 40-inch Smart TV stands out due to its full HD resolution at 1920 by 1080 pixels combined with Roku's proprietary smart picture technology. This ensures that the picture remains sharp regardless of where you place your television in a bedroom or kitchen, for instance, making it versatile and suitable for various settings. Streaming performance is another critical aspect, especially if you frequently use streaming services late at night when others might be sleeping nearby. The fast Wi-Fi connections on this Roku model mean quick app launches with minimal delays, providing uninterrupted viewing experiences without any lagging issues during those quiet hours. This feature alone sets the Roku Select series apart from many other models currently available. Setting up a new smart TV can often feel like an ordeal due to complicated processes and lengthy setup times. However, setting up this particular model is surprisingly straightforward. It takes only minutes to complete. Once set up, navigating through apps becomes incredibly easy thanks to its user-friendly interface designed for simplicity without compromising functionality or ease of use. One practical feature that many users appreciate but often overlook is the voice remote control capability with support from popular digital assistants like Siri and Alexa. This hands-free convenience allows you to operate your TV effortlessly using just your voice, enhancing overall usability especially during late-night viewing sessions when reaching over for a physical controller might disturb others in close proximity. Another useful feature worth mentioning is private listening via Bluetooth headphones. For those moments of solitude or quiet times within the household where noise needs to be kept low, this option ensures you can enjoy content privately without disturbing anyone else nearby, perfect during late-night movie marathons when everyone else has gone to bed early. At its discounted price point at $129.99, originally priced at $169.99, the Roku Select Series 40-inch Smart TV offers excellent value compared with similar models on offer today in terms of features and performance levels balanced against cost-effectiveness. However, it's important to note that if you're specifically looking for higher resolutions such as 4K or advanced high-end functionalities not covered here by this mid-range model, then those might be missing points worth considering before making your final decision. Always verify details like current pricing and availability directly from official sources such as Amazon's product page. In summary, the Roku Select series delivers on its promise of being an easy-to-use smart TV with solid picture quality at a competitive price point while offering additional perks that make it stand out among similar products in today's market landscape.